Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix gray zone warfare game crashing or crashing at startup, crash to desktop, not loading, lagging, freezing, low FPS, black screen or other issues on PC. So let's go through the methods. The very first method is to check system requirements of the game. So after searching for the game, go below. Here you will find whatever the requirements are there to play the game on your PC. So you should make sure all these requirements are available in your system, and after that try to launch the game and then check if the game is opening or not. If not, next method is to modify launch option. So for that, go to Steam. Under library section, select your game. Here I am showing an example. Now right click on it, click on properties. Under general, here you have to type -DX11 and then try to launch the game and check if the game is opening or not. If not, again come back, type -DX12 and then try to launch the game and check whether it's working now. If this also doesn't resolve the issue, again come back, type -windowed and then try to launch the game and check if it's working. But if the issue still continues, come back, remove the launch option and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam. Under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. This may take some time, wait for it. After verifying the game files, now try to launch the game and check. Next solution is to run game as administrator. For that, go to Steam. Under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage and click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. Here is the game application selected, right click on it, click on properties, click on compatibility and here select run this program as an administrator, click on apply and OK and launch the game and check if it's working now. If not, again come back, select run this program in compatibility mode for, select Windows 8 or Windows 7, hit on apply and OK and then launch the game and check. If this doesn't resolve the issue, again come back, select disable full screen optimizations, hit on apply and OK and then launch the game and check. But if the issue still continues, come back again, uncheck all of these, hit on apply and OK and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to clear download cache. So for that, go to Steam, click on Steam option, click on settings, click on downloads, go below, click on clear cache beside clear download cache. This will clear your local download cache and restart Steam. You have to confirm it and after that log into your Steam once again and after that try to launch the game and check. Next method is to allow the game through firewall. For that, go to the Windows search, go to the Windows search for Windows security. Now click on firewall network protection, allow an app through firewall, change settings. After that, here you have to search for the game whether it's listed or not. If you cannot find the game, click on allow another app, click on browse, go to the game folder, select the application, add it to the list. After that, select the game, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked and then click on OK. Finally, launch the game and check if it's working. If not, next is to delete temp files. So you have to press Windows plus R and have to type temp files, press OK. Whatever temp files you will get, simply select them and finally click on the delete icon. So this will remove all your temp files. After that, try to launch the game and check. Next solution is to close unnecessary background tasks. For that, go to the Windows search. Now search for task manager. So search for task manager. Now under background processes tab, here you have to search for those apps which are running in the background without any use. You simply have to select it, right click on it, click on edit task. This will close the app that is running in the background. After that, launch the game and check. Next is to update Windows. For that, go to the Windows search for check for updates. This will take you to the Windows update page. Click on check for updates option and wait for some time. It will check if there is any update available. If yes, update your Windows to the latest version and then try to launch the game and see if it's working now. Next method is to update your graphics card. For that, go to the Windows search for a device manager. Expand a display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics drivers. After that, try to launch the game and check. NVIDIA and AMD users, go through the link already provided in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next solution is to install Visual C++ files. For that, I have given the link in the description. You have to simply copy and paste it in a browser. After the website opens, go below. From here you have to click on the link to download. Once it is downloaded, open it. You will get repair or install option. Whatever you get, click on it. Now wait for some time. After you get setup successful message, close this. After that, restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, log into the game and then check. If not, next is to disable antivirus software. So if there is any antivirus software installed on your system, you are suggested to disable it, and after that try to launch the game and check. The antivirus program may stop you from playing, so it's suggested to disable the program before you launch the game and then check if it's working. Next is to install DirectX. For that, I have already given this link in the description. Just copy and paste it in your browser. After the website opens, click on download option. This will download DirectX on your system. After that, install it. Once you install this, now try to log into the game and check if you can play it. Next is to disable in-game overlays. For that, Steam users, go to Steam, click on Steam option, click on settings, click on in-game and check if the enable the Steam overlay while in-game option is enabled or disabled. If this is enabled, you have to click on it to disable it. After that, launch the game and check. GeForce Experience users, open GeForce Experience, tap on gear icon beside username, click on general and here switch off in-game overlay options. For Discord overlay, go to the user settings, game overlay tab, switch off enable in game overlay option. Next method is to run game on dedicated graphics card. For that, go to the Windows search. Now search for graphics setting. Now here you have to add your game to the list. For that, click on add a desktop app. Go to the game folder, add it to the list over here. After you add the game, click on arrow icon. Under GPU preference, you have to select high performance. And after that, try to launch the game and check if it's working. If not, then the final solution is to reinstall Grey Zone Warfare game. For that, go to Steam. Under library section, select your game, right click on it. Click on manage. Now click on uninstall and finally click on uninstall option. So this will completely remove the game from your PC. Now after this, you have to restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, now launch Steam and finally reinstall Grey Zone Warfare game once again and then click on the play option to check if the game is launching or not. So these are few solutions that are highly suggested to apply, as this will resolve Grey Zone Warfare game crashing at startup, not loading, lagging, freezing, low FPS, showing black screen error on PC. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.